Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix DNS Client Service Is grayed out in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click DNS cache. Open Start. Change value to 2. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.